Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the URL on your Facebook group. So instead of it having a lot of numbers, you can actually personalize it yourself. This is really good, especially for your brand or if you want to share it for a specific reason for your business. So all you need to do is to go to the group in question. So let me just quickly share my screen and let's get onto it. So I've just made up this group so that you can see at the top here, you can see it says facebook.com/groups/ a load of numbers. Now, this typically is how I see lots of business owners sharing their groups. However, you can actually personalize this section here so that it becomes more on brand. Now, for you to do that, all you need to do is to come down on the left-hand side and go to group settings just there. So go to group settings and then here it says customize group web address. So all you have to do is click the little pencil and type in what you want your group to say. So if I just put in here test group 2023, now what will happen is that this group's URL will become www.facebook.com/groups/test group 2023. Now I'm going to save that and it will automatically save it. So then what you want to do is you just want to refresh your page and go to the community home. And as you can see up the top here, it now says facebook.com/groups/test group 2023. Now, if you copy that and open up a new window, you can see that it will take you directly to that Facebook group. So that was super easy, wasn't it? It means that you can personalize your own Facebook group with your own brand or your own message in a way by just changing that URL. This is really good for you as a business owner because the more people see your brand and the wording or the message that you want them to see, the more it's going to stick in their heads and the more you're going to come up when they think about things that they need that you as a business owner provide. My name is Anita Wong and I'm a video and YouTube marketing expert, and I help you to understand how to use video and the digital tools online so that you can build your business. Don't forget that if you ever want to have a chat with me, you can book a free discovery call via the link underneath this video. Okay, thanks very much, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell if you want to get more updates about Facebook from me here on my YouTube channel.